How to do bicycle crunches. Step-by-step guide. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Bicycle crunches are a fantastic exercise for targeting your abdominal muscles, especially the obliques. They not only help strengthen your core, but also improve your overall stability and endurance. Here's how to perform bicycle crunches correctly. Starting position. Lie flat on your back with your lower back pressed into the floor. Place your hands gently behind your head, elbows pointing outward. Lifting. Lift your legs off the ground, bending them at a 90-degree angle. Your thighs should be perpendicular to the floor. Crunching. Simultaneously lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the ground. Engage your core muscles as you bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Straightening your right leg. Twisting. Twist your torso to bring your left elbow towards your right knee as you straighten your left leg. Imagine cycling motion with your legs while alternating your elbows towards opposite knees. Breathing. Exhale as you crunch and twist. Inhale as you return to the starting position. Repetition. Aim for controlled movements and complete 10 to 15 repetitions per set. Gradually increase the number of sets as you build strength and endurance. Form tips. Ensure your lower back stays pressed against the floor throughout the exercise to avoid strain. Focus on engaging your abdominal muscles rather than pulling on your neck with your hands. Incorporate bicycle crunches into your regular workout routine to challenge your core from different angles and enhance your overall fitness level. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results in your fitness journey. Enjoy the burn and keep pushing towards your fitness goals with determination and enthusiasm.